Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Button home decoration. Decorate a jar, mirror, coaster, wall hanging and storage boxes with button and the weavers button candle holder. Viewers, and dear friends, put buttons around glass jar to create colorful candle holders, button fashion accessories. Weavers button bookmark, create simple bookmark with button topper for books level. Button materials needed to create button crafts. You need button in many colors and sizes, glue or hot glue, cardboard or fabric, seeds and ribbon, beads or frame. And the weavers. Why button crafts are so popular? Button crafts are easy and relaxing, affordable, great for recycling, suitable for our age, perfect for gifts or decoration. Thoughtful handmade gift. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz. Viewers.